Tendai. Have you come here today with the intention to be legally joined in marriage? Do you pledge to choose respect, kindness and compassion towards one another, to listen deeply to one another, and to speak to one another truthfully today and always? If so, please respond, we do.
We do.
Are you both now ready to make your declarations to one another?
Yes.
It is my duty to remind you both of the binding character of the declarations and vows you are about to make to one another. Marriage, according to the law of this country, is the union of two people entered into for life, to the exclusion of all others. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are witnessing the togetherness, the freedom, the respect and love Dotsie and Tendai have created with each other, an excellent foundation to build their marriage upon.
I vow to love you faithfully, in good times and bad, in prosperity and adversity, in health and illness.
You ready? I, Tendai Lilios Ankijima, take you, Dotsie Yovi Akpenukoju, to be my husband, my soulmate and partner for life. I pledge to honor, cherish, respect, and love you through good and bad times, in sickness and in health.
So ladies and gentlemen, there will now be an exchange of wedding rings. Now, rings at a Scottish wedding are not a legal requirement, but they have become a long-standing tradition. A ring was chosen as a symbol of marriage because of its shape. Being round, it has no beginning and no end, and should therefore represent your constant and everlasting love for each other. Can I call upon Corey, please, for the rings? Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll get you to repeat after me. I give you this ring
I give you the ring,
as a token of my love,
the token of my love,
as a sign of our marriage.
of a sign of our marriage.
All that I am,
All the time,
I give to you.
I give to you.
All that I have,
All that I have,
I share with you,
I share with you,
for the whole of our life together.
for the whole of our life together.
Just the same again. And just hold in place. And repeat. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a token of my love,
as a token of my love,
as a sign of our marriage.
as a sign of our marriage.
All that I am,
All that I am,
I give to you.
I give to you.
All that I have,
All that I have,
I share with you,
I share with you,
for the whole of our life together.
for the whole of our life together.
And place that in. Now these rings may be a symbol of marriage, but they are also much more than that. They are a symbol of trust, of love, and a promise that ties the two of you together forever. Your hands will age, your rings will wear, but the symbolism the rings embody will always remain. Today, Dotsie and Tendai have sealed their marriage, into which they have entered by the exchange of vows and the giving and receiving of rings. They have committed to share the rest of their lives together. They've been joined in marriage in the presence of their much-loved family and friends. Therefore, by the power vested in me by the Registrar General of Scotland, it is my honour and privilege to declare you both now husband and wife. And Dotsie, as they say in the movies, you may kiss your bride.
I don't know. Okay.